Good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Lutfi Natadiningrat, and I am the student of Polban. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is how to use an oscilloscope to measure alternating current phase difference. My objective today is for people to understand how to use an oscilloscope for phase difference, uh, alternating current instrument. Next. Okay. My talk presentation is divided into three parts, and I'll start with what is an oscilloscope. Next, how does an oscilloscope function? And finally, how to use an oscilloscope to measure alternating phase difference. Okay, what is oscilloscope? Oscilloscope or CRO is cathode ray oscilloscope is a laboratory instrument or electronic test instrument commonly used to display and analyze the waveform of electronic signals. In effect, the device draws a graph of the instantaneous signal voltage as a function of time. Let's now turn to how does an CRO function or oscilloscope function. Let me use an image to explain this. Here is a y-axis and this is a x-axis. Here is a y-axis and here is a x-axis. Okay. What is the function of y-axis? The y-axis is showing a voltage and the x-axis is showing a time or period, and this is the wave and display oscilloscope. Okay, let's now turn to how to use an oscilloscope to measure AC phase difference with a simultaneous method. Okay. The first one, we must know the electrical circuit. Here is the electrical circuit for use oscilloscope. In here we have a voltage source. It's 6 volt peak to peak with 100 hertz uh, frequency. And here we have an oscilloscope. We install oscilloscope here, and this is for channel 1 to measure a voltage source, and the channel 2 is we install here. And Here is a resistor and capacitor. And here is the cable grounding. Okay, next. The next one is operate the oscilloscope. You must make sure the oscilloscope that uh, you will use is has a normal function, and after that we must calibrating our oscilloscope first before measuring the alternating current phase difference. Okay, next. And next one is apply electrical circuit. We must apply the electrical circuit that we have before. Here is a oscilloscope. Here is a capacitor, and this is a resistor, and this is a voltage source. In here we have a channel 1, channel 2, and grounding cable. Okay, next. Here is the result of simultaneous method. And here is a calculation formula for simultaneous method. Let's now turn to how to use an oscilloscope to measure AC phase difference with desired method. First one, we must know the electrical circuit. Next one is operate the oscilloscope. And next one is apply electrical circuits. And then this is a result for desired method. And this is a calculation formula for desired pattern or desired method. Arc sine voltage in divided by voltage out. Here is the voltage. Here is the voltage in right here. Voltage in, and here is a voltage out. Here is the voltage out, and we can calculating by this formula. Okay, uh, that's it from my presentation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment on below. Thank you.